Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to find MEXC referral codes and introduce you to the benefits of using our special MEXC referral code 12K4M5. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency trading, finding the right platform is crucial, and MEXC has become a popular choice for many traders. With its user-friendly interface and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, MEXC is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced traders alike. So, how can you find MEXC referral codes? One of the easiest ways is to visit official MEXC social media channels, like their Twitter or Telegram pages. You can often find promotional offers and referral codes being shared there. Additionally, cryptocurrency blogs and forums are great resources for finding referral codes shared by other users. But here's the exciting part. By using our referral code 12K4M5 when signing up, you'll unlock exclusive benefits. Not only will you get reduced trading fees, but you may also access special promotions and bonuses that are available only to users who enter this code. This means more value for your trades and potentially higher earnings. When you sign up on MEXC, simply enter 12K4M5 in the referral code field and start exploring the platform. It's that easy. Once your account is set up, you can dive into trading and explore a variety of features that MEXC offers, including spot trading, futures trading, and a range of DeFi opportunities. Also, don't forget to constantly check your MEXC account for updates on new features, trading pairs, and promotions. The crypto market fluctuates rapidly, and staying informed can significantly benefit your trading strategy. In conclusion, finding MEXC referral codes is straightforward, but using the referral code 12K4M5 gives you the competitive edge. Make sure to take advantage of this opportunity to enhance your trading experience on MEXC. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more insights into cryptocurrency trading. Happy trading, and see you in the next video on Crypto Horizon.